With the permission of the Honorable Chairman, I am happy to answer with a question asked by the Honorable MDC. The ADC is running 6 ICDS projects. Out of that, we have got 1,250 centers. We have substituted 38 nurse workers and 101 helpers. Therefore, here question does not arise. With the lack of staff, the nutrition of children is hampering. Thank you. Recruitment process solely recruitment process state government handle kyo. Our process district institutional social education thanai directorate in state government thanai recruitment process state government handle kyo.